in search of healthy keto. Today we're cooking Golooptsy or cabbage rolls. Golooptsy is a very popular Russian, Ukrainian, Polish dish that essentially is minced meat wrapped in cabbage leaves and baked and then served on top with tomato sauce. In Turkey they have a version similar to this, except they use grape leaves. The word Golooptsy came from doves, and it came from mid-18th century Russia, which was greatly influenced by the European culture and French cuisine. And at that time, the upper echelons of the Russian society, they started to eat grilled dove. It was very popular. But the mainstream couldn't afford dove, so they started a mimic version of dove by using these cabbage leaves wrapped with those minced meat and served shaped like a dove, and hence the word Golooptsy, which means doves. The version I'm making, I had a friend in Seattle, Washington. Her mom used to cook one of the best Golooptsy, and she never revealed her secret. It turned out when I left Seattle for Texas, at that time her mom told me the secret, which is smoked paprika and cumin that she used in the minced meat. That gives you this unique texture. I never heard of this, but I will try this today and find out. So minced meat, you can simply saute in a pan for just a few minutes because they'll all be stuffed in the cabbage. The important thing is you have to decore the cabbage. Just take out that part that will allow you to separate the leaves, and they'll go in about 3 minutes in a boiling water. Then you can remove the leaves, wrap them in the minced meat, and put it in the oven for 350, roughly about 1 hour. So let's begin. Okay, while the cabbage is getting ready to be handled, it's too hot right now, maybe 2 minutes. I can saute this thing here. It's a chopped onion garlic for about 2 minutes on it. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of butter, a little bit of salt, and in a minute I'll put these chopped carrots, and after 1 minute I'll add minced meat with the rest of the spices. I'll saute about 1 minute on each side of the meat. Minced meat in. I added about 1.5 pounds of grass-fed beef, ground beef. And instead of rice, I will use about a cup of cauliflower rice that I'll hand grate to this cheese grate. That'll go just at the last moment. In the original recipe, of course, they use either plain rice or wild rice or buckwheat. But I'm using the cauliflower rice, and it shouldn't change the taste or texture of things much. Turn off the oven, and I added 2 eggs at the last moment. Before that, 1 cup of cauliflower rice went in there. Just mix it up, it's ready. Let it cool for a few minutes, and I think the cabbage, let's check, it's ready. So we have to take those leaves out one by one and create our wrap. Okay, so take the leaves out. It's the wrapping time. You cut out the base where it's the thickest part. and then some people use it on the base. There's a casserole pan where you can put about a few teaspoons of tomato sauce. If you have a bit of a tomato soup, you can add another spoon of it. It's something entirely up to your taste about how much you want to use, but you just create a bed of that in the pan and you'll wrap this, and most commonly it's done like this. This is a wrap time, not my favorite part of this, but I'll try my best. So it's something like this, and you can be creative as much as you like, but it is simply wrapping the mincemeat inside this. You can make it shape like this, or just some people like it just a rectangular version of it, and goes in that casserole pan upside down, so it's like this. And then this you can put it in if you have a crock pot, just 20 minutes, put it in there, it will be ready. You will definitely not going to use that much of sauce, tomato sauce in there. Or you can just use a regular oven, and about an hour that will be ready. You can put tomato sauce on top, just a little bit, and then about a few minutes before 1 hour you can put some topping of sour cream. Traditionally that's what is done. I put some Greek yogurt, and then you can sprinkle your parsley. That's it. Let's begin that part. I'll show you before it goes inside the oven. You can top with a few spoons of sour cream and some tomato sauce, and if you have a little bit of tomato soup, you can also do a few teaspoons of that on top. This will create a different kind of texture, and the look will be very nice. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit and about 1 hour. Here we go. Moment of truth. It's very tender inside, and it turns out that because I was using a toaster oven, you actually don't even need 1 hour. It's ready about 40 minutes towards 350. You could reduce the temperature, maybe 325, and go 1 hour, but anyway, it's still good. So the inside layer I want to show you is like that, and the finished version is just like that. Golooptsy cabbage rolls, healthy keto version. Bon appetit!